Hello again, today we're making vegan spaghetti bolognese using this, which is TVP or textured vegetable protein. Let's go.
So we'll start off with our veggies. We need 1 brown onion. We'll give that a dice. It should look something like this. Next is 1 large carrot. Again, give that a dice and it should look like that. And then finally 3 sticks of celery. Give those a dice. And that's all the veggies done. Good news, the chopping is finished. Heat up some oil in a large pot over medium heat and then add in the diced brown onion. Cook that for a few minutes while stirring and then add in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and continue cooking that while stirring for a few more minutes until the onion starts to caramelize a little bit and looks a bit translucent. Then add in the diced carrot, followed by the diced celery, and cook for 5 to 7 minutes while stirring. It should look like this, where it's starting to brown. We'll add in 2 cups of TVP or textured vegetable protein. We're adding that in dry. We'll talk about that at the end a little bit more. We'll give that a stir and then add in our liquids. So 1 cup of vegetable stock, a 700 gram jar of tomato passata, and then add some water to rinse the jar out, and then add that in. Followed by a 400 gram can of diced tomatoes, rinsing out the can again. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of mixed dried herbs, 1 teaspoon of dried chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give that a stir and it should start to thicken as the textured vegetable protein starts to absorb the liquids. We'll then give it a taste and decide what seasonings to add. So I'm adding a little bit of cracked black pepper and some salt. We'll then turn the heat down and let it simmer with the lid on for around 20 minutes. Meanwhile, you can place a large pot of salted water over high heat to boil, and then once it's boiling you can add in the pasta and cook as the packet directs. Keep an eye on the bolognese. If it starts to thicken too much, you can add in another cup of water, which is what I did. Once the pasta is cooked, you can drain that and then turn off the bolognese. Add in some chopped fresh basil leaves. Give that a stir and it's time to plate up. I'm serving it with some garlic bread. We've got the pasta, the bolognese on top, garnished with basil. How good does that look? The textured vegetable protein or TVP is a great alternative to ground beef and is very high in protein. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 890 pieces. So 1 for every subscriber. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.